Soon we will be announcing officially, but yes, it is confirmed that the iPhone SE 4 will have an action button, iPhone 14 camera style, no home button, with the 18 chip, and there will be a notch for just $500.
What if Tim Cook actually say this? That will be mind-blowing. A budget iPhone giving premium vibes. New information and details are spreading everywhere about iPhone SE 4, and I am sure you haven't heard of this before. The first big upgrade coming with the iPhone SE 4 is the removal of the iconic home button. We've been familiar with this button since the original iPhone, and it was replaced by a haptic feedback mechanism with the iPhone 6. Now, with the iPhone SE 4, Apple is taking it out altogether, embracing a full-screen design similar to the latest iPhones. This will create a more modern, seamless look, giving the SE lineup a long-awaited visual refresh. A larger display and thinner bezels also mean a bigger screen to enjoy. The iPhone SE 4 will have a 6.1-inch display, which is a huge leap from the 4.7-inch screen of the iPhone SE 3. But that's not all. For the first time in SE history, Apple is upgrading the display to OLED, stepping away from the traditional LCD we've been accustomed to. The switch to OLED means richer colors, sharper contrasts, true black levels, and overall better visual quality, making this phone look and feel more premium. And while the body won't be made of titanium like the Pro models, Apple is keeping it lightweight with an aluminum chassis which is durable and practical for everyday use. Now let's talk about the camera design, a hot topic of rumors. Some renders show the same camera setup as before, while others hint at a horizontal design. However, the most common prediction is that the SE 4 will follow the iPhone 14's camera design, likely with some tweaks. Expect a smaller notch on the front, bringing Face ID to the SE for the very first time. And while the iPhone 16 camera design is highly unlikely for the SE 4, Apple wouldn't want to steal its own thunder from their latest flagship. The SE will still pack some serious camera power. The back camera is where things get exciting. Rumors suggest that despite a single lens setup, the main camera will have a 48-megapixel sensor, just like the flagship models. For the SE lineup, this is a massive upgrade, enabling crisp, clear shots even in challenging conditions. Speaking of tough conditions, the SE 4 is finally getting night mode, so low-light photography will no longer be a struggle. Though it won't have premium features like spatial video recording, this SE is stepping up its game in the photography department. Another big change is the introduction of the action button in place of the classic mute switch. This button, first seen in the iPhone 15 Pro, will allow you to set custom shortcuts to your favorite functions. For many, this could mean quickly launching the camera or any other app you use regularly, adding more versatility to this budget phone. And of course, we can't forget the USB-C port, Apple's latest universal move across its lineup, making the SE 4 compatible with all modern charging accessories and faster data transfer speeds. In terms of performance, the SE 4 will be powered by Apple's latest A18 chip, meaning it's ready for the future of AI and machine learning. This chip brings AI-driven features like creating custom emojis, ChatGPT integration, and an advanced Siri with better natural language understanding. On top of that, the A18 ensures faster processing, improved efficiency, and a smoother experience for gaming or other performance-heavy tasks. One of the most game-changing rumors is Apple's plan to debut its in-house 5G modem in the iPhone SE 4, replacing Qualcomm's modem. This shift would be a significant moment for Apple, marking their independence in the 5G space. And while it might seem surprising for Apple to test this on a budget phone, the lower sales volume of the SE 4 makes it a smart move, allowing Apple to gather data before rolling it out across all iPhone models in the coming years. Lastly, the battery life is expected to get a boost. With the combination of a larger battery and the power efficiency of the A18 chip, users can expect longer usage times, making this phone even more attractive to those who don't want to compromise on performance. When can you get your hands on this phone? The iPhone SE 4 is expected to launch in the spring of 2025, sometime between February and April, and with a price tag likely under $500, this phone could be the best deal we've seen from Apple in years. The iPhone SE 4 promises to deliver flagship features at a budget price, redefining what we expect from Apple's most affordable smartphone. Make sure to subscribe for more updates as we get closer to the official launch.